This question, as it's put forward, is why the court believes false allegations without full investigation. Now, my first response to this is that the court does not automatically believe allegations, whether true or false, without any investigation. The court might make an order based on the risk of any allegations being true. This is a fundamental difference, and it will affect how you perceive the court procedures and the law involved in your case. Sometimes it might seem particularly unfair if the court appears to be siding with another party with allegations that they've made without having first fully investigated them. The reason for this is that if there are serious allegations made, the court is going to want to find out whether those are true, but in that interim period, because it might take quite some time before it is fully heard in court, because you have to serve witness statements, you have to have the full bundle prepared so that the court can hear all of the evidence, and then there has to be a trial, or in family cases, a fact-find hearing. That means the court will be presented properly with all of the evidence and then make a finding of fact as to whether those allegations are true or not. But in that intervening period between those allegations being made and between the court hearing it in full to decide whether or not they are true, the court must take a cautious approach if there is a risk of any kind to the best interests of the child or children involved in the case, or indeed between the parties. This is particularly true with non-molestation orders or injunctions to prevent one party from contacting or coming around either the other party or the children, because there are frequently serious allegations made by one party against the other. But the court must take a cautious approach, and whether it is just and convenient to protect that party or the children involved in the case. Because if the court fails to do that, and the court's had notice of allegations which may be true, then the court is not taking the best interests of those parties into account. So if you've had allegations made against you, which you believe are wholly untrue, but you feel like the court has believed them, bear this in mind, because the court is only taking a cautious approach to protect either party or the children involved in the case. Ultimately, if you present all of your evidence properly, the court will get a full and fair account of your side of the story, and only then will the court make a finding of fact and decide whether those allegations were true.